I wonder if I look like a Popeye. I'm so sorry. That's because I keep filming videos intoxicated. And it's not right because the last time I filmed the try on haul, I was high. Now I'm drinking. If I look like Barbie doll, please ziba mtase, ziba. Bese kupedile mangenza le makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for taking your time and trying to watch the video. I really do appreciate it. And if you are a returnee, welcome back. Welcome to another video. I hope you will like this one, bestie, cause I decided to spend money that I don't have. I'm gonna split this video into two because I don't like it when my videos are too long, because I feel like my channel is still small. The first part is the clothing part, and then the second part is the shoe part, because I feel like I got a lot of shoes this time, so I feel like they deserve a video of their own. I love shoes, by the way. I think I love shoes more than I love clothes. It's really easy for me to buy shoes more than it is when it comes to buying clothes. First one that we're gonna start with is this this pair, oh, it's a pair of shorts, ne? I got them from Legit. I got them, when shops do that buy one get one free, get the lowest one free type of vibe. So this was 130. Wait, I think I got this for free. I'm not really sure. I don't remember, but I think I got this for free alongside something else that was priced higher than this short. So this is what it looks like. It has this pleat situation, and I still don't know what I'm gonna wear with it. And then I'll just show you this side, what the clothes look like when I try them on. And then the next one that I got is this pull-over material type of jersey, pull-over. You pull over even. I got this, I think it was 100 rands at Edgar's. The next one is, I love this jersey so much. I haven't worn it yet because I'm still trying to figure out. It is a pink cropped polo neck jersey. What's very puzzling about this jersey is that it's an extra small, and I normally wear large, extra large when it comes to the top, but this fits perfectly. It's great. So I think for extra small, it's supposed to, I don't know, be baggy. I got this for 130 rands, so they discounted it from 250 to 130 rands. Next one is this nice color blocked dress type of thing. So I'm gonna show you, because this is like a DIY dress. I'm gonna show you what it looked like when I purchased it from the mannequin, and then after adjusting it and doing the whole thing, this is what it looks like, and I'll show you what it looks like on me. This was 100 rands. I wore this to my best friend's memulo. I had to adjust it because it was too big. I couldn't find my size. Next one is this skirt. I got this skirt because of a colleague. She was wearing a two-piece at work and it looked amazing. So I decided to get this. It's a maxi skirt from Mr. Price. This was 80 bucks. I'm still trying to adjust it because it wasn't fitting. Next are these pants. If you follow me on Instagram, I've already worn these on Instagram. So I got these jeans, and I've also shared on a story at some point, Uguti. I got these jeans from, what's the name of the shop? I forgot the name of the shop, but I did share the details on my Instagram stories. These were 80 bucks. It's a pair of, I don't want to say jeans because it doesn't feel like jeans. I got these pants at Four Seasons. There's a Four Seasons shop. It's right opposite. There are quite a few ShopRites in CBD, but there's that one big one that has an Edgar's Pezwai. That ShopRite. Opposite that ShopRite there's a Selfast. Next to Selfast there is a Four Seasons shop. I got these pleather number head excited. So I got this for 180 rands. Ziang vanilla and minagi happy. Like, next, I'm not really gonna dwell much on this because this is like just a jacket, a leather jacket that I'm replacing. My best friend took it, so I decided to get a new one because I actually needed it. The star of the show is this beige cream. If you watch my videos, you know what I am a sucker, a hoe, a bitch, a thought for neutral colors. I love neutral colors. So this beige, I've wanted to get this jacket for like a very long time. My problem was that I didn't know which color to choose because I have a lot of like black clothes, so it was really hard for me to like choose. Listen, Siabagena. Remember, there is a series that I do on Instagram, what do you call this? How I style my crop jacket series. Guess what? I didn't have to crop a jacket. I'm definitely doing this one next. I think that is the end of the clothing haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. I almost said in the name of Jesus Christ. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.